Easy English Conversations. What do you like?
Let's talk about food today. I like pasta. What food do you like, Sean?
I like fish. What food do you like, Bully?
I like pizza. What food do you like, Georgie?
I like chocolate and fruit. What fruit do you like, Sean?
I like apples. What fruit do you like, Tim?
I like grapes. What fruit do you like, Bully?
I like bananas. What fruit do you like, Georgie?
I like oranges. Learn how to talk about the weather in the next video.
It's raining.
It's windy and cold.
It's hot and sunny.
What food don't you like, Sean?
I don't like rice. What food don't you like, Georgie?
I don't like nuts. What food don't you like, Bully?
I don't like steak. What food don't you like, Tim?
I don't like jelly. What food do you like?
I like pizza.
What food don't you like?
I don't like jelly.
Great.
Have you got that? Learn more English at bbclearningenglish.com. Let's continue.
What do you like doing, Sean?
I like dancing. What do you like doing, Bully?
I like playing video games. What do you like doing, Tim?
I like hiking. What do you like doing, Georgie?
I like swimming in the sea. What do you like doing?
I like singing.
Nice. What food does Sean like?
She likes fish. What food does Bully like?
He likes pizza. What food does Georgie like?
She likes chocolate.
That's right. She likes chocolate. What food does Tim like?
He likes pasta.
Correct. He likes pasta.
What does Sean like doing?
She likes dancing. What does Bully like doing?
He likes playing video games. What does Georgie like doing?
She likes swimming in the sea.
That's right. She likes swimming in the sea. What does Tim like doing?
He likes hiking.
Correct. He likes hiking.
What food do you like?
And what do you like doing? Let us know in the comments.
Bye.